There is nothing worse than thinking you're ready to apply for YouTube monetization, submitting your application, and then waiting 30 days only to get rejected. Very frustrating. The frustrating part? Most of those rejections are preventable. A simple checklist, going through your channel item by item before you apply, catches almost every issue before it becomes a problem. That's exactly what this video is about. A complete, beginner-friendly checklist you can use right now to prepare your channel for monetization. Welcome back. This channel covers everything about building and monetizing YouTube. No fluff, just the stuff that actually works. Hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Let's jump right into the checklist. Before anything else, confirm you've hit the baseline numbers. 1,000 subscribers. Verify in YouTube Studio under Channel Analytics. 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months. Also, in YouTube Studio under Analytics, then Overview and Watch Time. Note: Shorts views do not count toward the 4,000 watch hours. Only long-form public video views count. If you're going the Shorts route, 1,000 subscribers plus 10 million valid Shorts views in 90 days. Two-step verification enabled on your Google account. This is mandatory. Go to your Google account security settings and turn it on if you haven't already. AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. Without this, you can't receive payments. Set it up through the Earn tab in YouTube Studio. No active community guidelines strikes. Check under Settings, then Channel, then Community in YouTube Studio. Any active strike will automatically disqualify you. Your channel is in an eligible country. YouTube's partner program isn't available everywhere. Verify your country is on the list before applying. This section is where most rejections happen. All videos have original content. No reposts, no lightly edited compilations, no content that's essentially identical to other channels. Thumbnails are original and accurate. They represent what's actually in the video. Misleading thumbnails are a fast track to rejection. No copyright-flagged content. Check each video for copyright claims in YouTube Studio under Content, then Videos. Any claims showing blocked status need to be resolved. Advertiser-friendly language and topics. Review any videos with excessive profanity, controversial topics, or sensitive subjects. Address any videos marked limited or no ads. No spam or artificially inflated metrics. If you ever purchased subscribers or used any service to inflate your numbers, this is a major risk. YouTube's review process checks for this. Your channel's overall appearance matters during the review. YouTube wants to see a legitimate, active creator. Channel name is clear and professional. Channel description is filled in, at least a few sentences explaining what your channel is about and who it's for. Channel art, banner image, is present and looks intentional, not a default placeholder. Profile picture or channel icon is set. At least one playlist has been created to organize your content. You've uploaded content recently, at least 3 videos in the last 90 days. Your About section is complete, including any relevant links. Once everything on this checklist is checked and validated, open YouTube Studio. Click Earn in the left navigation menu. Click Apply and follow the prompts. Accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. Set up your AdSense account if not already done. Submit and wait. YouTube's review typically takes between 1 and 30 days. During that time, keep uploading. Keep growing. Don't pause your channel just because an application is pending. If approved, you'll receive an email and the monetization features will activate in your studio. If rejected, you can reapply after 30 days. And I have a full video on exactly how to fix the most common rejection reasons, linked right here. That's the complete checklist. Go through it item by item before you apply, and you'll be in the best possible position to get approved on your first attempt. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.